some warnings when you are looking for an investor. The first one is, most of you are small companies, 10 employees, 5, 15, 20, whatever, and you are looking for an investor which is dealing with very big numbers. And sometimes venture capitals or investors in general try to have a better position in the negotiation just because you are small. So the first thing is you must understand that this is always buy and sell situation. If you think you are small, then you look like small and they will treat you as a small company. So probably you have something special which has a value in the market that makes you bigger. So try to feel bigger and show you are big enough to have a balance in the negotiation. Okay? So that's the first point. Second, if I'm the investor and I'm going to give you my money, you have to show me the value of your company. What is the, not only the value in terms of euros, but in terms of the assets, the future for me. So show me the value, okay? And those assets, or that technology, a patent, whatever, at the end will be translated into euros because you will sell, you will get some profit, and you can make a calculation of the value of your company, and you can make it in two ways, backwards or forwards. If you are a very established company, you are, let's say, 50 years old, you have a very stable segment in the market and very stable numbers every year, you grow at 3.5% all the years, then probably it's much better to make the calculations backwards, because you can show facts and you can show numbers that are true because they are already happened. If you don't have a track record and you are a startup or a small company, some of you probably haven't started selling because you are finishing the product to go to the market, and you are here with the phase 2 money to let's say, to finish the development and go to the market. So some of you even haven't sold any time. And then you don't have a track record, then you will have to give me a promise and show me the future. Okay, I hope to sell all these things, and my profits will be this, this, and this. So you are gonna value your company looking at the future.